rope here is 54 inches in length and must be split into two pieces. There's a variety of ways of doing this, but I like to just draw kind of a picture. My first piece plus my second piece is going to add up to 54 inches long. And it says one piece is twice as long as the other. So one piece will be x, the other piece will be 2x. There's my equation. I'm going to combine like terms to get 3x is equal to 54. And then I'm going to divide each side by 3 and get x is equal to 18. I'm going to write down the unit, which is 18 inches. And that'll be my first piece of rope. Up in the problem, the other piece is twice as long, so 2x will equal 36 inches. And there's my two pieces of ropes, my two measurements I'm looking for. Maria is 15 years less than Orlando. Her age is 15 years less than Orlando's age. Their sum is 29. So you've got two ages adding up to 29. Maria is 15 less than Orlando. If Orlando is x, she is x minus 15. And there we have, together they're adding up to 29. Combine like terms, we have 2x minus 15 equals the 29. We would then add 15 to each side of the equation. And we have 2x now is equal to 44. And so dividing by 2, we get x is equal to 22. That would be Orlando's age. And then 15 years younger, that would be x minus 15. That would be 7. That would be Maria's age. Notice they add together to be 29. Continuing on here, we've got $120 is being split among 3 restaurant servers. I'm going to draw a picture. Here's our $120 getting split 3 ways. Angie made 10 more than Marie. How about M plus 10? Gwen, who went home sick, made 25 less than Marie. M minus 25. And then we have Marie herself getting M. How much money should each server get? Well, it looks like we've got our equation sitting right there for us. We've got 120 on the left equals 3 M's when you combine and add those together minus 15. It was as if these were lined up and I just added straight down. Adding $15 in this case to each side, I'm now going to have 135 is equal to 3M. And then dividing each side by 3, I get 45. 45 is equal to M. So going back up to the top where I have everything labeled, M plus 10. That would be 45 plus 10 is $55, and that was Angie. M minus 25, that's 45 minus 25, that would be $20 for Gwen, who went home early. And then $45 for Marie herself. And if you want to check and notice that those do indeed add up to 120, you will see that we do have our solution sitting right in front of us.